morning, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm in the Ngahere, and I'm going exploring. Let's see what we can find, eh? Come on. Ha. Whoa, look what I found already. I found a leaf skeleton, and I found some pine cones. I'm gonna see if I can juggle the pine cones. All right, here we go. Oh, I dropped them already. All right, let's see what else we can find. Woo! Oh, got a little friend. Tēnā koe, te cicada shell. I love the noises of the ngahere. What can you hear? I can hear cicadas and the tui. Did you hear that? Come on. Oh, look, it's an amazing playground. Let's go, let's go. Whoa, check out this obstacle course. Let's see if I can do the whole thing. Okay. Yeah. Whoa, this is pretty high. Okay, careful, careful. All right, now I have to maneuver my way over to this thing. 1, 2, 3, go, Buzz. Okay, he's made it. To the other side. Woo. Careful, careful. We're doing good. We're doing good. Let's go this way. Okay. Go, Buzz. Oh, swing. Feet go up. Woo! That was hard. Okay, now for the finale. Across the rickety bridge. Made it! That was so awesome, Te whānau. Let's see what else we can play on. Wow! Oh. Whoa! Whoa! What an amazing day it's been today. I'm so happy I found this playground. Ka kite anō whānau. Woo!